Hey guys, Austin here. Just an update. So they moved the solar because they said it's not a good place for the big solar to be here. We're still working on where to put the big solar panels. Just an update. I put this one back here because we have the solar light up there in the corner. Just to make it charged, but we just barely moved it. And we're gonna have the other solar panel. We're gonna have to set up something over on the other side where they have it set up. And so this is the view from up here, and doing some cleaning up some of the weeds. We got the turkeys are strutting their stuff. And I'll show down where the pigs are. Here's some of the pigs. So they had this disconnected, and I had to tell them no. The point was to have it connected so it can charge the battery that's inside. Hey little piggies! Hey little piggies! Oh yes! Oh yeah! A happy piggy, huh? You're a happy piggy. I'm gonna try to clean this up a little bit, clean out some of the mud there out in the waterway. Hey little piggies. Little piggies, going to market? And there's a big mama. Here, I'll come around. I'll come around. Hi, big mama. Hi, big mama. Hey, big mamas. Hi, big mama. Yeah, you talking to me, huh? Oh, someone was saying you're overweight. You're not overweight. You're skinny. Here's the big mama. Yeah, there's the big mamas, aren't you? You're the big mama. Yeah. Good girl. There's a little piggish here. Huh? You little piggish. And these ones. Yeah. We need to set up your feeder better. I don't know why it's on the ground in the middle. Rafi's wife is cleaning. And the water's gone down in where we were doing our septic tank. I'll show you real quick. I put Azolla in there, and that's why it's green with the Azolla. But Azolla is not as good as duckweed for absorbing nitrogen and stuff. When I put it in this area, it was too strong and it died. So I have duckweed that I'm going to try to put. But yeah, this has gone down enough that we can dig it out and start putting the walls for the septic tank. Progress. That's the farm update for today. Slowly coming together, the farm. That is one of our moringas that we planted there, and we have some more moringas here. And we had some other ones here, but now they're dead. I don't know what happened. I don't know why that one and that one. Not even any dead leaves. Maybe something dead something there. We have another moringa here and another one over there. Moringa has a lot of protein, good protein and vitamins, so I try to, when I come to the farm, I try to break off some branches and give them to the pigs. There's a study that shows that you can replace up to 70% of the feed for the pigs with moringa leaves. And so that's part of what we're trying to do, is we are trying to reduce our costs with the moringa trees. And I don't know, I'm gonna have to ask Rafi why those ones died.